Hi, I'm Wolf Oven. I'm here to show you how to survive in the Welsh wilderness with nothing but my backpack and my trusty bottle of water, along with a small crew. It's going to be a rough ride. I'm here in the heartlands of Snowdonia. There are no people for miles around. The only thing here are Welsh bears and dragons. I think I might be the only person for miles around. I may be the first person to ever set foot next to this tree. I'm in complete isolation. Got no one to talk to. Times can get pretty rough. It's times like this, I'm glad I'm a Buddhist. So don't call me Wolf Oven for no reason. There aren't many things that scare me in this world. I'm a pretty tough guy. There's child support, ex-wives, laziness, belly fat. Apart from that, pop! I've just climbed this 40-foot tree to get a better look at my surroundings, but it's as I thought. This land is a desolate wasteland. Get the step ladder.
Sorry, mate.
Get the step ladder. I think I might be the first person to ever set foot in this particular area of the woods. I'm here to make a fire. We're here to make a fire by friction. It's not an easy thing to do, but I've got the bag. Using just a pencil, a piece of wood I found on the floor. This animal is a delicacy in these parts. The Welsh snail. They eat this with almost every meal. I'm going to eat it now and demonstrate the best technique on how to remove one from its shell. Ooh, I can see why that's such a delicacy around these parts. I might just have another.
Are you done? Are you done yet, Wolf?
Has anyone got a lighter?
Oh, I've got nothing, mate. Can you just hurry up, Wolf? We got places to go. Wolf, come on, mate, Wolf.
So, we've spent the whole day here, and the crew's getting exhausted. I'm not. But I've got to stay the night here, and I found the perfect place to bed down. It's going to be nice and warm between those two wet tree trunks. It's not going to be easy, but I'm Wolf Oven. Yeah, no, I'm just in Wales. It's not really. No, there's a road. No, it's a bit boring. I've just spent the night between these two logs. There's fungus everywhere. The flies bit me, but I bit back.
Wolf, mate. Just get out of the shot. Wolf, calm down, mate. Calm down. It's fine. It's fine. Wolf, it's fine. Guys, can you just leave, boys, please? Wolf. It's really good. Wolf!